Oh my goodness, oh, it's so good. It just smells, oh, I just feel like I need to like eat it. Each side smells different. Wow. Delish, oh my goodness. Wow. So I hope you're well and having the most incredible day. As always, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. In today's video is something so incredibly exciting because the other day I was working and this parcel arrived at my door and I just had no idea what it was, and I'm not gonna lie, I have opened it and peeked and I realized what it was, slammed that lid shut, and here we are. So in today's video we are going to be unboxing and giving you my first impressions on the brand new LUSH Bridgerton range. Now, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, have I watched Bridgerton? No, I have not, but all of my friends are screaming at me to hurry up and watch it because apparently it is the best thing since sliced bread and I need to watch it. So I feel like after receiving this, it is a must do. I must watch it ASAP, and honestly, I just cannot wait to dive in to see what's in this box. I am so excited, and as always, Lush, I am so thankful for you. You honestly make my weeks every time one of these parcels turn up on my door. It is usually on a Friday. It is the most amazing kind of end of the week treat, and I'm just so incredibly grateful. So without further ado, let's dive into the LUSH Bridgerton range. I hope you guys enjoy this video and carry on watching. Okay, so the first thing inside the box is this, and I'm not gonna lie, there is a lot of writing on the back, and I feel like if you guys want to have a read of it, you are more than welcome. I'm not gonna bore you with me trying to read it because you guys know I am not the best at reading out loud. My skills at doing that is not great. However, let's try the first part and we can laugh about it together. So it says, "Dearest readers, it was..." See, I'm already stuttering. I cannot read out loud. "It is with the greatest pleasure and no small amount of alacrity," I don't know what that word means, "that we announce this sumptuous debut of products to complement the most enticing release of the summer entertainment Okay, I'm just gonna stop. Let me just pause, read, enjoy. I just feel like honestly my reading is not great. Anyway, we don't need this. What we're excited about is what's in the box. I just cannot cope. I am so excited. Okay, let's just dive in. Okay, so the first item we have, I'm so excited about this product. So the first item we have in the box is the Creme Anglaise body lotion. This is what it looks like. Can we take a moment to really appreciate the packaging? I feel like Lush again are just absolutely smashing it with the packaging for the collaborations this year. I cannot get over it. The attention to detail is just chef's kiss. I just absolutely love it. So this is the Creme Anglaise body lotion, and ingredients wise in this one we have got meadow sweet infusion, which sounds delightful, cocoa butter, jojoba oil, avocado oil, cold pressed evening primrose oil, we've got honey, we've got orange oil, we've got vanilla. Let's just give it a smell. I cannot wait any longer. Let me stick my nose in this pot. Wow, I feel like we've had something of that smell before, but that smells delish. This is what it looks like. Such a thick texture. I will put a little bit on my hand as well so you guys can sort of get a rough idea of the thickness. So this is what it looks like, and this is obviously how it goes into the skin. Instantly it has got an oily texture, I won't lie. It is a very thick buttery lotion, but I think for people who have more of a dry skin type, especially for this time of year, I think this is perfect. And smell wise, I feel like I can't describe it. I feel like it's giving Butterball, but with a little bit of a more like yummy taste. Does that make sense? Like it's got that Butterball kind of vanilla like smell to it, but there is definitely something else to it, and I really, really like it. It's a very nice layerable product, if that makes sense. I feel like you could layer this with any kind of perfume and it would just sit really well together. So this is the first item in the box, and I'm shook. I love that. Next up, let's stick with the next potted item. Wow, okay, again, the packaging, I don't know what it is about Lush, but they are really smashing it. This is the See and Be Seen Rose Scented Body Wash. This is what it looks like. Again, the packaging, guys, I cannot get over how incredible this is. I feel like if you've seen Bridgerton, you probably would correlate to a lot of these products, if that makes sense, like link them together somehow. As I've said, I've never seen it, so I would love to know down below, does any of this mean anything? Let me know down below. But this one says, this sweet and silky lemon rose wash will have you smelling decadent and ready to step into your spotlight. And ingredients wise, this one has got fresh rose petal infusion. You've also got fresh strawberry juice, rose oil, geranium oil, and Sicilian lemon. Let's give it a smell. I'm so excited about this one. I feel like this is just something really different, like it's a body wash as opposed to a shower gel. Like, what is the difference? Who knows? Oh, wow. Okay, this smells, that's so good. It just smells, oh, I just feel like I need to like eat it. It's giving rose jam, like it's giving a really, I'm salivating, oh my goodness. It's basically rose jam. It is a really beautiful rose smell, but it's really sweet. It's not that like overly powering floral smell. It's just a really lovely sweet floral smell. That is so good, and this is what it looks like. I'm not gonna be able to tip it for very long because I feel like it's going to spill, but wow, that is heavenly. Oh my goodness, I'm obsessed with that. Honestly, I am so obsessed with this fragrance. I'm a big rose jam person, and this just smells incredible. It just 10 out of 10, delicious. I'm so excited to try that one. The next item in the box is this one. This is the Be Solid Body Balm, and this is Honey I Wash the Kids scented, which is orange, bergamot, and sweet toffee. I love the look of this. Is this not a massage bar? I would love to know down below, what is the difference between a body balm and a massage bar? I will say it is melting in my fingers already, but look at the bee on the front. How adorable is that? Now, does that correlate to something in Bridgerton? I would love to know. The bee with the bee on it. Is it meaningful? I would love to know, but oh my goodness. Oh, it's so good. So this basically smells like a scrubby body scrub, but it's just the lotion portion of it, but it's incredibly melty. Like, I don't know if you can see on my hands, like they're already really, really oily. That is heavenly. I'm going to put that down because it's literally sliding out my fingers, but wow, that is incredible. I feel like that is just, I can't get over it. That's so good. That would be really lovely after a bath or a shower when your body's nice and warm, especially in the kind of like drier months of the year. Wow. Delish, oh my goodness. And the next item we have in the box is a bath bomb, and this is the Two Families bath bomb. So this is what it looks like on one side. The other side, it has a bee on it, and it has a wedge of really beautiful cocoa butter. This is very similar to the one that we received in the kitchen box, which was in my last video. If you guys haven't seen, it is a very similar idea, but a different fragrance and color, I would presume. And this one is yuzu and cocoa. Let me smell it. Oh, it is yuzu and cocoa scented. Wow, that is delicious. I love yuzu and cocoa. When they got rid of the bubble rune, I was so heartbroken. Then they brought out the shower gel, then they got rid of it. Oh, wait. Is it the same smell on both sides? Oh my goodness, I've got powder on my nose. That smells incredible. Oh my goodness, wait. Each side smells different. So this side is yuzu and cocoa scented, which is yuzu, citrus, and chocolate. Smells delish. This side is deep sleep scented, which is lavender, chamomile, and neroli. They complement each other so incredibly well. That is phenomenal. Wow. Again, I could just, do you know what I mean? Eat it. I shan't. Definitely could though. And the last thing we have in the box is another bath bomb, and it is this one. This is super sparkly, pink and blue. It's got a crown on the top, and this is Colour Clarity Carrot Cut Bath Bomb, which is the Elephant in the Tea Room scented, which is bergamot, lemon myrtle, and tea, which sounds delicious. Oh my goodness, that's so good. This smells like something edible. I feel like an old-fashioned sweet smells like this, and I really cannot pinpoint what smell it is, but I've smelt it. I feel like I've tasted this smell before. Wow, that is beautiful. And again, very shimmery. Wow. Okay, so maybe if you don't like glitter, don't go for this one because my hands are covered in blue sparkles. I'm just going to pop that one down. Pajama bottoms it is. So those are all of the products that I was ever so kindly gifted of the Lush Bridgerton range. It does come out on the 7th of May on the app and the 9th of May on the website. I'm not too sure if that is worldwide or not, so I do apologise, but that is what I've been told, and I honestly cannot wait for you guys to get these products because they look incredible. The only thing that wasn't in the box that is going to be released is the liquid perfume, which is the Lush Bridgerton liquid perfume, which is going to be £35, and fragrance wise it's ylang ylang rose, rosemary, mint, and jasmine, which sounds delicious. So definitely have a little look online. If any of this interests you, I would definitely have a look. What I will say is that every single item just smells phenomenal, and I think every single item has been really well picked and well designed and well fragranced. I just love it all, and I will absolutely devour every single thing. So I'm so excited to use them all. I would love to know down below, do you like this range? Will you be picking up anything from the range? I would love to know. And yeah, that is everything. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much, Lush, for making my day, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.